Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming ownership and signing in to an administrator account because changes require elevated rights. Once done, back up critical data and create a system restore point so you can undo changes if needed. Next, open Run, type netpluis, and press Enter to open the user accounts dialog. Make sure the target account is listed and selected. This tool is how Windows lets you configure automatic sign-in for convenience, while retaining account settings and encryption where used. With the user accounts dialog open, uncheck the box labeled Users must enter a username and password to enable automatic sign-in. After clicking Apply, Windows asks for the account password. Enter it exactly and confirm. This step stores encrypted credentials in your profile so Windows can sign in automatically. That's why admin rights and backup matter. Once you complete this, restart the PC to confirm it signs in without manual password entry, and make sure any BitLocker or network policies behave as expected. To finish, verify all apps and services run correctly after automatic sign-in, then lock the screen and test resuming. If you ever share the computer or need security again, re-enable password sign-in via netpluis or Windows settings. That reverses the change. If automatic sign-in causes issues, use the restore point you made or sign in with an admin account to undo settings. One key troubleshooting tip: if sign-in fails, boot into safe mode and confirm the user profile and credential manager entries are intact before restoring.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.